a rock star. You can find me in VIP, all eyes on me. Yeah, where the girls are, this is how your night should be. All eyes on me.
All eyes on the prize, money supersized. G5 super fly, should be supervised.
Welcome to Carter's. We are here for the nachos. Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming. Subscribe, comment below, and thumbs it up. If this is your first time here, you've made the right decisions. Maybe the nachos enticed you. They have pineapple on them. And we use the rest of the stuffed bell pepper meat on top of the nachos. Everyone's eating their Sunday dinner. Now it's my turn. So, Lord bless the food about to receive from nurse everybody in Christ's name. Hungry. Did you see that? Oh my God. Okay. I'll try not to be dramatic. We're about to watch a family movie. Angry Birds. There's that pineapple. I don't even want to do a whole bunch of talking because that's how hungry I am. I bet you my avocado's gonna roll. Look at that goodness. Can you see the steam coming off of it? I'm sorry, I didn't give y'all the first bite. There you go. Ah. Mmm. Mmm. Okay. Mmm. Onions, red peppers, portobello mushrooms, red onions, sour cream. And pineapples and avocado. I don't know what it is about nachos that give me life. But no one really likes them. Well, my dad, he does like tacos. But I love the chip, the crunch. You guys be sure to try pineapple on top of it. Oh my God. Oh. I had a story to tell you. But I really don't think we're going to get it out. My name is Lisa. I have a husband named Arthur. And we had our kids at 40 and 44, so we had them late in life. Blake is 5. AJ is 8. And we have nothing but shenanigans, fights, confusion, fun, food, and love for the Lord. I think I had a passage for y'all. Hold on. There's that pineapple trying to get away from me. There you go. I probably need some jalapenos on him. There. I'm so excited. I can tell you what. This might be my happy place is with these nachos. You can see the steam coming off. So I'm about to watch this movie, the series Ozark on Netflix. And it's so good. And I started the series, and the opening episode, very first episode. Hold on, let's get the cheese. The man is a financial advisor, and while he's talking with his client, he's watching pornography while he talks to the client. Then he goes home for an evening with his wife and kids, and while they're watching TV together, he's watching it. And then he meets with some shady characters in the I'll keep you posted. I said, what is this? That pineapple on there? Oh my God. Right now, everybody's talking about the craziness of somebody telling you to take a disinfectant to ward off the virus that was of 2020. Ooh. Avocado, onion, chicken, the beef, sour cream. And then Travis Scott came out with his Fortnite. He's a character in Fortnite. Too much going on in the world. So make sure you find your happy place. Get a good book. Find your favorite meal. Go for a walk with LSP. Watch my entire Carter's Eats playlist. Oh. Share my videos on your social media. Call a friend you haven't talked to in 2 years. Sure, you see them all the time on social media, but call them. Phone's not broke. Phone doesn't have corona. I'm doing nachos because I saw Adrian cooking and food review. Get there. He's had some Jamaican nachos. Y'all, I can't even talk. They look so good. I said, I'm going to go through my kitchen and make some nachos out of whatever I've got left over. And then I said, I do love nachos. I hadn't done them in a while. Last time was brisket nachos. And the last time before that, I did my second and third mukbang with my niece in Colorado. And I personally love nachos, so I forgot to do a thumbnail. So many flavors. There's your pineapple, onion, peppers. Mmm. Blake is my daughter. She got me, Mom, hemmed up in the bathroom, and they're washing dishes. Well, you know, imaginary dishes. I think I'm gonna finish it all. Me and my girlfriend used to call this point of no return. Ain't no need to turn back now. No need to stop now. You've reached the point of no return. You gotta push through. Okay. Y'all know at Carter's, we got several songs. I'm singing Welcome to the Live in my head, but we're not in the live, so I'll sing Comment, Commit, and Stick. Comment, Commit, and Stick. Here comes Woogie. That's AJ. Pineapple. Turkey meat. Oh, yellow peppers. You can see the yellow peppers. With guacamole's in front. Excuse me. Can you believe no one has bothered me for the entire video? When we did the boiled eggs with beef sauce, I should have had production this close, so I apologize. Baby, baby, baby. The movie's ready to start.
You need some nachos? Give me some nachos.
Look at him lurking. Here, I'll give you one. Here.
I got it on my own.
Well, you can't. Yeah. Production is sensitive.
I noticed.
It's real good too.
This.
Don't drop it. Not bad. You know, remember, he's a picky eater. He's a picky eater. Y'all heard me just say, can you believe no one's... Look at AJ. What you watching on your tablet? Jelly?
My tablet's not even on. It's just sitting there turned off.
What you watching? PlayStation?
Yeah, I'm playing PlayStation.
What you learning?
A lot of things.
You know how to play? What?
I found enchantment books. So I found a zombie spawner in a cave. I found enchantment books. That was a good bite right there.
It was a good bite. One more?
Yeah. And I found enchantment books in one of the chests. Then I went strip mining with my iron pickaxe and iron sword. I found 5 diamonds. Made a diamond sword and a diamond pickaxe. Put them in my valuable chest. And read those enchantment books to enchant my iron sword and my diamond sword and my iron pickaxe and my diamond pickaxe. So
Amazing.
I gave Blake one of my diamond swords, even though she's not playing. I put it in her room.
That was nice.
I gave her chest too.
I'm sorry, what, another bite?
Yeah,
Right here in production.
you need more. You need to make more of this. Right now.
Smacking?
I know.
We don't do napkins.
Well, I do.
They can't see you, Woogie.
I can't really get in.
Just. My husband said, "Oh, death comes soon," because I'm making them wait until I'm done with the video before they can start the movie. Looking crazy, AJ. Looking real crazy.
I know.
One eye out.
It's just so good. Make more.
I know.
I
can save this for you, this last bite, and let you go find a chip. See how I got pineapple in it?
Yeah, that's what tastes bad.
Amazing.
Looking around for a chip.
Over there, closer to
Oh, found one. Good chip.
We're ready. AJ's office says sometime next year. Don't push my pineapples out the way.
But I'm eating.
Go, grab it.
Huh? Hey.
Remember we did our nacho video?
Yeah.
Blake in Colorado? Get up there. See what you got left.
Ha! The onions in this and burned.
Oh my God, Blake, you missed the whole thing.
Blake missed out. I got the good pieces.
Here's some beef, some meat.
Yeah.
Isn't it good? Oh, Lord have mercy. Here, Will. Here, sweetie. There's the last bite. The last bite. With meat on it and everything. That's it, y'all.
Would you like
Sale.
I'm riding my sister's scooter she got for her birthday. Yeah?
Thank you for coming.
What?
And we'll see you.
What?
They prayed up. Watch the scooter. See the scooter?
Do or die, open up your eyes, head to the sky, keep a mean bad mommy on the side. Make a tsunami kamikaze on the mind, spit flow, paparazzi flash shine, get dough, champagne.